Hola, mi nombre es Zahir Abbas. Now I would like to say about my friends. In front of you, I am present for teaching you once again. So I would like to say that I am gonna explain about present progressive tense in Spanish language. Actually, in English language, we know about present continuous tense, but in Spanish language, that will be present progressive tense. So step by step, I would like to explain you what is this and how can you solve this. So let us start. First, I would like to write in front of you Spanish pronouns. Spanish pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Now I am writing in front of you. I expect you are understanding. Él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras. Vosotros, vosotras. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. In front of you, I have written Spanish pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Now, in front of Spanish pronouns, I would like to write a star conjugations. Star conjugation. Estoy. Actually, with your estoy conjugation will be used. This is a star conjugation. So now I expect that what I am explaining you are understanding. Yo estoy, tú estás, ella, usted está, nosotros, nosotras estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. In front of you, I have written a star conjugation. In front of you, I have written a star conjugation in front of Spanish pronouns. Actually, in present progressive tense, with Spanish pronouns or with Spanish nouns, star conjugation will be used. Now I would like to explain. Actually, you know, in Spanish language there are three kinds of verbs: AR, IR, ER. But in this video only I will explain you about AR verb. AR verb. In Spanish language, with AR verb, ando form will be used. As in English language, in present continuous tense, we use ing form with verb to same kinds. In Spanish language, with AR verb in place of ing, we shall use ando form. this my as ablar. Ablar means, you know, ablar means to speak. Ablar means to speak, you know. So with hablar verb, I would like to explain how can you use. Examples. He is speaking. English. You are watching. He is speaking. How to translate into Spanish language? Such kinds of L. With L, which conjugation will be used here? With L, está. El está and hablar means speak. El está. Ab. Now you have to write ando with hablar, such as él está hablando. AR will not be used. Actually, in place of AR, you have to write ando, such kind. You are watching this. He is speaking. Él está hablando. Spanish. And next example, they are speaking. English. They are speaking. How to translate into Spanish language? Such kinds say. Ellos. With ellos, están will be used here. Están. Ellos están hablando. They are speaking. They are speaking. They are speaking. I have written in front of you in English language that will be translated such kind say ellos están hablando. I expect that you are understanding what I am explaining you. Gracias por ver.